Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 3. So students, today in our class I will revise you chapter number 1, where to read from, right? Recapitulation of this lesson for your term 1 exam. Okay, so I will revise you all the topics of your chapter number 1, which is important. Okay, so let's see students that topic. I'm starting in your lesson chapter number 1. This is your recap, means recapitulation or revision of your chapter number 1, where to look from for your term 1 exam, right? So here students, you can see the objects given, and here objects different views given, and after that picture you can see one blank is there. So what you have to do, according to the picture you have to identify that these objects, which view is this, either it is top view or front view or the side view, right? Means this is the if we are looking this objects, अगर ये objects को हम देख रहे हैं, right? So from where if we will look, so that it will be look like this. So you have to identify the view of these given objects, which is a question is here, right? Understood? So now first we will see the question number 1, this one house, right? And here if we will look this house, यानी ये वाला आपको, if you will observe, this portion is showing, right? Okay, so this one you can see that if we will look from the front, अगर हम सामने से देखेंगे, so we can see this much only, right? So that means what? That means this is the front view of this house, right? So here in the blank answer is front view. Just now I am mentioning only front as I get this much space, that's why. Okay, you can write down in a full front view. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now we will look towards the next picture, which is your table. Can you see a table, students? Yes or no? Tables, here the question given. Now students, table, you can see this space here, the small space given, and if we will look this from front, अगर हम सामने से ये table को देखेंगे, so we will see this much big portion, but here showing only small portion, right? So that means if we will look from here, if we look from here, this means side view. अगर हम side से देखेंगे, so table will be look like this. So that means this table's side view is there. Which view, students? Side. So here you get answer side view. You can write it in a full form, side view. Is that clear to everyone? Now we will look towards this car. Can you see a car? आप लोग को car दिख रही है? Yes or no? Now we have to identify that which view is this of this car. यानी कार को हम कहाँ से देखेंगे? So it will be look like this. So students, chapter number 1, starting of this lesson, I have explained you about this car view. आपको याद है ना? अंशुल की drawing पे सब लोग हंस रहे थे. Just because he draws only the top view, ऊपर से उसने कार को notice किया सर, terrace के ऊपर से, right? So that means if we look from the top, so car will be look like this. So here answer is top. Top view. We have to write down the full top view. View का spelling VIEW, view. Is that clear? Okay. Now students, we will move towards the next one, which is you can see speaker. Can you see? Speaker is there, right? And the speaker, अगर speaker को हम कहाँ से देखेंगे, so it will be look like this. So that's I'm showing you that if we will look the speaker from here, यानी यहाँ से, if we look here means front, अगर हम सामने से देखेंगे, so it will be look like this. Yes or no? So that means this one is the front view of this speaker. So here you get answer front, 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 and view spelling VIEW, view. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. The next one, if you will see this one, it's look like a in something plate given, right? Plates के अंदर कुछ cake या pudding जैसा बना हुआ. Now if we will observe this carefully, so here which view, यानी ये अगर जो भी plate है इसको हम कहाँ से देखेंगे, so it will be look like this. So yes, so many students answering me, right? So very nice. It is a top view of this object. Is that clear? Everyone understood all the answers? Here the directly view of the given objects given. Directly view hai, and we have to mention it which view is this. For example, here you will see the horse. Horse is there, and horse will be look like this. If we will look it from this side view, here answer mentioned. Can you see? यानी इस हॉर्स को अगर हम साइड से देखेंगे सो इट विल बी लुक लाइक दिस. यस और नो? सो हियर वी हैव टू जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई without any, just we have to imagine that if this object is there, so from where if we will look, so it will be look like this, from the top or side or the front. Is that clear? So your second question is your monkey. Can you see a monkey? Right? So we have to identify that if we from where if we will look this monkey, so it will be look like this, either from the top or from the front. So you all know, you observe very carefully monkey, right? आप सबने monkey देखा है ना? So if we will look from the front, अगर हम सामने से देखेंगे, so it will be look like this. Yes or no? So that means this monkey's front view is this. So I have circle on the front view. Either you can take it. Is that clear? Then the next one is a car. Car, just now we discussed it. Yes or no? Car अभी हमने discuss किया ना, this one car. Which view is this? This one is a top view of the car. Yes or no everyone? So here we are mentioning, we are circling on the top view, as this one is the top view of a car. Clear everyone? Okay, the next one if you will see this one, the cycle. Can you see a bicycle? Yes or no? So bicycle will be look like this. If we will look this bicycle from the front, अगर हम सामने से देखेंगे, so bicycle front view would be this one. यानी सामने से देखेंगे, so wheel, then handle and all we can see, right? But if we will look from this side, अगर हम side से देखेंगे, so this bicycle will be look like this. So that means this cycle's side view is there. Clear everyone? Understood? Okay, so here I have circle on the side view. Either you can tick also. Now the next one is a boy, right? So boy you can easily see, right? Boy को हम कहाँ से देखेंगे, तो हमने सामने सीधा boy front, right? We can see the front view of a boy, right? So here your answer is front view, right? So here I am putting a circle on the front view. Either you can tick also. Okay, so I am tick out it all the answers here. Front view, top view, side view and the front view. I'm just stick out it. And this next one is a girl sitting. You can see a side. वो थोड़ी side से दिख रही है ना? उसका face properly round. जैसे यहाँ पे boy का face properly हमें screen पे ऊपर दिख रहा था. But here you can see side is sitting aside. थोड़ी सी side पे दिख रही. That means this one is the side view of this girl. Yes or no? So side view. Answer is side view. Next one is a crab. Can you see a crab? Okay, so crab will be look like this. If we will look from front, top or from this side, यानी crab को हम कहाँ से देखेंगे तो हमें ऐसा दिखेगा. So you can easily see if we will look from the front, सामने से देखेंगे तो ये इसका front view, सामने से ये वाला portion दिखेगा, right? And उसकी back and all we can see. अगर हमें उसका back and all दिख रहा है, so that means this is the top view of a crab. Is that clear? Crab ऊपर से ऐसा ही दिखेगा ना? Yes or no? Okay, the next one is a zip. Next कौन सा है? Zip. Can you see a zip? Right? Now zip को हम कहाँ से देखेंगे? This is we can say for example car. कार का भी हमने देखा था ना? Top view will be like this, right? कार का top view will be like this. So at that time I already explained you that this zip will be look from where. अगर हम कहाँ से देखेंगे तो zip का ये view दिखेगा. So obviously if we will look this zip from this side, अगर हम side से देखेंगे so it will be look like this. So that means this is the side view of a zip. Is that clear? Then the next one is a chair. Next कौन सा है? Chair. Chair को students अगर हम top ऊपर से देखेंगे, option given front view और top view. अगर हम top से यानी ऊपर से देखेंगे so we can see only this much portion, but this we can't see the base of this chair. Chair का base point हमें नहीं दिखेगा. But if we will look this chair from the front, अगर हम सामने से देखेंगे so we can see chair like this. Yes or no? So that means this is the front view of this chair. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. The next one is donuts. What it is students? Here donuts given. And donuts if we will look from the front, अगर सामने से हम donuts को देखेंगे so donuts का हमें सिर्फ इतना ही portion in a curved shape we will see like this. अगर हम सामने से देखेंगे so donut front view will be like this. And if you look राउंड शेप एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग, उसका ऊपर का सारा पोर्शन हमें दिख रहा है. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज द टॉप व्यू ऑफ दिस डोनट्स. व्हाट इट इज? टॉप व्यू. सो हियर योर आंसर इज टॉप व्यू. इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Here students, we have given A, B, C, D, E, F. Here the half portion of letter given and other half given over here. Now we have to match this with the half portion, यानी mirror halves की जैसे हमें इसको matchups करने हैं, right? But students, in this, but I want to ask, I am not telling you the other half, यानी मैं आपको दूसरा हाफ नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. यू जस्ट हैव टू गेस फ्रॉम दिस गिवन हाफ. ये हाफ पोर्शन इसके ऊपर से हम लोग पहले गेस कर लेते हैं, राइट, एंड देन वी विल मैच इट. सो हियर योर फर्स्ट लेटर इज विच वन? कैन यू ऑल सी? इफ यू विल लुक केयरफुली, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, सो दिस वन इज योर A for apple, right? The next one, अगर आप कंटिन्यू ड्रॉ करोगे, so this line continue, then this curved line and curved line. Which letter? Letter D. And if we will continue this, so this line will continue and like this. So which letter is this? This one is your N. Clear? Then if you will continue this, stop commenting everyone. So this one is your H. Which letter? H. Yes or no? Then if we will complete this, so it will be look like this. So means this one is your S. Okay? And the last one, if you will see that this one, be careful. See, we have to draw it so that you get the letter like this. So this one, then, so which letter is this? W. कौन सा letter होगा students? W, right? So is it clear? So if question is like this, the half portion of the letter is given and you have to imagine which letter is this. So are you able to imagine it? आप कर सकोगे ना? Right? So from the half of this letter, you have to identify and you have to write down that letter. So here I have already matched here the first half given and the other half given in opposite way, and we have to match it with it. Is it clear? So students, till here I have completed your recapitulation of your chapter 1. Inshallah, in my next video I will revise you the next lesson, okay, for your term 1 exam. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz everyone.